The ancient temple precinct of Someshwara has 1,000 stories to narrate. The intricate carvings and elaborate motifs all stand testimony to the rich history and culture of the various empires that flourished in southern India for centuries. Built during the reign of the Chalukyas of Kalyani in the 11th century, this monument in the historical town of Lakshmeshwara witnessed construction of smaller structures right up to the rule of the Vijayanagara kings in the 17th century. The main shrine in the temple complex has a very unique idol. The depiction of Lord Shiva sitting atop Rishabha is seldom seen in the temples of India. More than 80 rare inscriptions have also been found around the temple. Dating back to the early 11th century, they give us an invaluable glimpse into our past. Another significant structure is the large stepwell. An ancient multi-purpose facility, the stepwell has been used by devotees for centuries. The discovery of an idol of Lajja Gauri, the goddess of fertility, reinforced the temple's significance in the history of this region. But vagaries of nature and vandalism by the invading troops over centuries left the structures in a state of ruin. Oblivious to its cultural and historical significance, the locals further damaged the heritage site.
Many architectural members were lost. People were residing in this place, taking it as a shelter. They have converted the ancient structure into the modern one with the cement, with the modern tiles.
Upon witnessing the poor condition of the temple complex, the Infosys Foundation recognized the urgent need to protect it. It immediately undertook the project of restoration and preservation of this ancient monument.
This is one of the rare temples where it is developed over many dynasties of history of Karnataka. I came and visited this temple once long back. I felt very sad looking at the ruins, though it was such a famous temple. So I felt we should do something for this temple.
In 2012, the Infosys Foundation sanctioned grants to restore the monument back to its original glory. In collaboration with the Department of Archaeology in Karnataka, the foundation set up a project team of senior archaeologists, craftsmen, and restoration experts from across India to help restore and preserve this priceless treasure. Strictly following the archaeological principles, to retain the authenticity of the original structure, the team of expert conservationists rebuilt portions that had been damaged beyond repair. They also cleaned the walls, ceilings, and pillars to get rid of years of grime and dirt using special conservation techniques.
ಈ ಹೋಮ ಹವನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಜಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ವೆದರ್ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ತೇವಾಂಶದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಟಿವ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
The diligent efforts of the team paid off. In less than 3 years, they transformed the archaeological precinct and restored it back to its original glory. With its unstinting support to the cause of preserving ancient monuments, the Infosys Foundation has provided an opportunity to our future generations to get a glimpse into our history and appreciate the rich culture and heritage of incredible India.